Alright, we are here at the airport. We're going to go back to Dad's hometown of Magasaysay in Mindanao, and I can't wait. I'm super scared. Alright, we are back. We are Vince. We are in the jeepney. Yeah.
I don't know if you...
Which one?
You know what's your part when it's like that on your forehead? Like...
Check out these Cuba huts. They're so good. I don't know if they're done finishing. It's really cool. Yeah, I'd make videos.
Yo vlogger, welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to Magasaysay.
Welcome to my vlog.
The party Lennon G's. Yeah. Pretty much. Oh, sure. It's wet here, but this is an actual pretty nice spot. If it wasn't raining as much, this would be really nice at the moment. It's kind of cool. Right, sleep. We are here. We're about to go to the gym, and we're going to meet up with the community. This should be dope. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to meet with some of the community members, and it should be dope. Yeah. Now time to go. Yeah. Alright. Nice to meet you, bro. Finally, nice to meet you, bro. Cool.
Is it raining?
Yeah. Oh my days, yeah, you got that. My days, bro, those gangsters fuck. Yep. Yes, clean, G. Oh my days, that was so clean. Yep. So safe. Clean, my G. Woo. Yes. My days, I'd be. Yo! Yo!
So close. Up and down. Okay.
Yeah, that was G, bro. That was so cool. Perfect. Yeah, for sure. Oh!
Push. Nice. Easy.
Yes, G! Ha, you got it.
Oh!
Yes, G! You got it. You got it.
Woo! Nice.
But
So clean.
Yes, G! Closer, closer, closer. Yes, G! Yes! Yes, G!
That's good. Nice.
Yeah.
So good. So easy.
Back at it, got congainers again. Lost it for like 4 months.
So
Yes, perfect!
Yes!
Perfect, G! One try! One try! Let's go! Oh, my days, a double! That was so good! That was really good.
recording.
My bro just landed that first try, the double spin.
Yeah.
Come on, days, Filipino community strong.
Yeah.
Fair ball,
Let's go.
fair ball, fair ball, fair ball.
Hey, hey.
Alright, let's give it a go. Yeah,
Timing.
yeah,
And then push.
yeah. And you see that push? When you get to that,
Challenge from okay. Let's go. Push.
yes, bro! Yes!
Recording. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Let's go.
I'll wait, I'll wait, I'll wait. Not feeling, not feeling.
I can.
Yes, G! Yes! Yes! Alright, dude, he made that so smooth.
Ready? Okay. Woo! Easy. Like this.
I was so scared on that one. I only just made it round. Only just.
Yeah. Push.